Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Uber Eats promo not applied. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So I'm going to show you a few things that you can try to fix this issue. Now for the first thing that you can do, I suggest reinstalling your application. So just close the Uber Eats app, press and hold on it, and then we will click on Uninstall App. After we have done this, we will just tap on OK, and then we will need to re-download it from the App Store. Now that was the first thing that you can do. And for the second thing here, I'll just open up web browser to show you this. So if your promo code didn't apply, we'll need to click on the profile icon at the bottom of the main screen and then click on Promotions. So here's what we do. We open up the application. Now here I will click on Account, and then we have to select Promotions. So if you don't see your promotion here, you can click on Past Promotions, and then from there you will get an option to fill out a form if you didn't actually receive your promo code. So right here, click on View Receipt to see receipt, and if the promo was applied successfully, it should appear on the order charge breakdown. If the promo was added to the order, but the discount didn't apply, we will need to fill out the form below and they will look into the issue. So like I said here, Uber Eats promo, promotions, past promotions, and fill out the form and they will help you resolve this. So that's basically how you can fix Uber Eats promo not applied. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.